Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to show you my live deposit of 1 lakh Indian rupees in Geotas account. So Geotas is one of the best Indian exchange where you can deposit different cryptocurrency and INR rupees also, and you can withdraw any of the cryptocurrency directly into the fiat currency of INR directly in any of the bank that you have in India. So to deposit, what you need to do, you have to have an account on Geotas. So if you don't have the Geotas account, you will get the link of Geotas exchange in the description of this video. Simply click the registration link, register your account, update your PAN card, Aadhaar card, and connect your internet activated banking on this exchange. And then once you log into the dashboard after verifying your KYC, you simply need to click on deposit. Here they had added one new feature also, free UPI deposit. So you can deposit through UPI. It will take only 5 seconds to show the deposit in your dashboard. You can select instant deposit. Instant deposit will also take 5 seconds to show the deposit, and you can also choose other deposit. The other deposit will take approx 10 minutes to show the deposit. So I am going to select the instant deposit. Once you click on instant deposit, you have three options. So you need to agree the terms and condition that you do not share instant account number with anyone, and instant account number is unique and different for each customer. So your dashboard will show your account address, so only deposit in the address shown in your own dashboard. Do not use another account number. If any one of else amount to be transferred instant account, it will not be deposited. That means if you had connected the bank, you need to deposit with the only connected bank account. You cannot transfer the fund with those bank is not connected with your Geotas. So after agreeing the terms and conditions, simply click on next. Then you have two options to deposit. Either you can deposit in ICICI bank, or you can either deposit in Axis bank. So you can choose any of the preferred bank. So to deposit, let's say I will only simply go into the banking, net banking of my HDFC, and simply click on fund transfer, and I am going to simply click on IMPS, and from account I am going to select Geotas. This is the ICICI bank. Let's say I am going to select Axis bank. Axis bank, Geotas Axis bank, you can see 708090839154, 708090839154. Geotas Axis bank, account current amount I am going to deposit 1 lakh rupees. Remark I will write Geotas. So after entering the remark, I will click I have read the terms and condition, continue. Then I will match once again the account details that I am added is correct, 50100. From this account I am sending to the users 708090839154. You can see 708090839154. Right now I have 23,552 rupees in Geotas account. So I will simply click on confirm. Then it will send me an OTP. So I will select the email to receive the OTP and click on continue, and then I will log into my email and take the OTP from there. Here you can see an email I got from HDFC. One time password has been generated, so I will enter the OTP 850668. I will match once again the OTP 850668. Then I will click on continue. Congratulations, your fund transfer through IMPS is successful. You are now eligible for a special offer. Thank you for banking with us. Your request for IMPS fund transfer transaction 1 lakh rupees has been accepted. User reference number is this, and the reference transaction number is this. Once I go into my account, first you can see 1 lakh rupees got deducted from my main balance. Now I will inquire the account statement and click on view. You can see 1 lakh rupees got deducted 10th April. So And now once I go into the dashboard of GeoTus, and you will see, once I refresh the dashboard, it will take 5 to 10 seconds to show the balance. You will see 1,23,552. So the INR rupees got added into my dashboard of GeoTus within 5 seconds. So this is how fast it is to deposit INR into GeoTus exchange. And if you want to buy some cryptocurrency, you simply need to select any of the cryptocurrency from here and directly buy here. But I will prefer you to use spot exchange so that you can place your own price on which you can buy. In spot exchange, there what you can do, once you click on spot exchange, what you can do, you can select the cryptocurrency and place your own market price that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy some SAIL. So to buy the SAIL, you can see the graph and you can also see the market price over here, the buying price and selling price. The buying price is approx 589 rupees and selling price is 475 rupees. So you can place your own price over here on which you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy on the price of, instead of buying 589 rupees, I want to buy on 475 INR rupees. So I will simply place my own price over here, and quantity I will buy 10 SAIL coin. I am going to buy SAIL, placing price of 461. So you can see at price of 461, and once the price will touch 461 rupees, it will automatically get bought. And you can see your order history also, 11.30 SAIL. And once I go into the dashboard, there you can see the open order. Here you can see deposit 1 lakh rupees successful. Once you slide the cursor below, is success. Date is 10th April 2021. So this is how easy it is to make the deposit. And to buy the cryptocurrency, you can simply select any of the cryptocurrency and click on buy. Enter the amount of currency you want to buy, and you can simply instant buy, or you can go into the spot exchange and buy any of the cryptocurrency you wish. So start doing crypto trading today and start making passive income with crypto trading also, because crypto trading is one of the best things that you can generate a much big amount of money while sitting at your home, while operating your mobile. Your mobile can make you money each and every day. So start doing trading with cryptocurrency in India. And GeoTus is one of the best Indian exchange, the cheapest Indian exchange and the fastest service provider in India without a single issue. Just like all the other exchanges in India have many deposit and withdraw issue. So this is one of the best exchange. I would love to prefer each and every Indian crypto community member to start using GeoTus, the best exchange, the cheapest exchange and the fastest exchange in India, with the most preferable currency with the cheapest price that you can trade in your own country with your own currency. So thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you keep getting more and more passive earning opportunity which will make you financially free in coming future. Thank you. God bless. Bye bye.